Hello friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is a plan with me for the week of April 26th through May 2nd. The kit that I'm using this week is a sort of work from home themed kit. It is the 2020 Cyber Monday mystery kit from Glam Planner with silver foil overlays included. The headers that I used for this week are a combination of leftovers, and the silver foil scalloped headers are by Rose Colored Days. The black date dots are bow date dots from Letters to Apollo. And the overlays came with this mystery kit, and I did have a couple left over. Getting into the day by day, I started Monday off by marking Sleeping In a little bit with a script from Scribble Prints Co. and a little sleep mask icon that came from the kit. I hit 200 subscribers overnight this night, so I marked that with an icon from the kit and a Grateful For script from Kenzie's Creations. If you are subscribed to this channel, thank you so much for being here, and if you're not, please consider doing so and liking this video if you like my content. Throughout this week, I marked work with silver scripts from Sticky Essentials. On Monday, I used the little house icon from the kit to mark working from home. I marked uploading a plan with me with a script from Letters to Apollo and an icon from the kit. The workout script near the bottom of Monday is from Scribble Prints Co. I'm also tracking working out this week in one of my sidebar trackers. The other one I'm using to mark no spend days. I marked working late with an icon and black script that came as part of this kit on a deco sheet. In my highlight box in the sidebar, I'm marking my husband's second vaccine appointment with a Kisma from Glam Planner, and the appointment script is from Franny Lamb Stickers, which is an Etsy shop. One of the first shops I bought from when I started getting into decorative planning. The top of Tuesday, I'm marking yoga with a Kenzie's Creations script and a little stretching munchkin from Once More with Love. Marking the phone call to refill one of my prescriptions with a icon from Mama Gloria's shop, an icon from the kit, and the Refill RX script is from Letters to Apollo. I marked school with an emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. Taking out the recycling with the icon from the kit and the Trash Night script from the kit. I marked filming a video with a film script from Nettie Designs and a piece of deco from the kit. I marked cooking dinner with a Sticky Essentials script and a Harry Wright Designs little fork and knife icon. Skipping down to the bottom of Wednesday, I'm marking watching Grey's Anatomy, rewatching with a sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co. Then I used that same combination to mark cooking dinner again on Wednesday evening. The phone used to mark a phone call in the middle of Wednesday is from Mama Gloria's shop on Etsy, and the script is from Scribble Prints Co. I'm marking work the same way that I did on Tuesday with that emoji and script. And then I'm marking a workout with a sneaker icon from My Dear Stationery, and that script is from Scribble Prints Co. And I marked uploading a video with a Nettie Designs script and a coffee icon from the kit. I usually upload and post about my videos over my morning coffee, so I thought that was appropriate. On Thursday, I'm marking an Instagram post with a sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co. and a Kinsey's Creations Instagram post script. I marked laundry with stickers from the kit. I marked my workout the same way as I did on Wednesday. I marked work the same way as I did on Tuesday and Wednesday. I marked picking up a prescription with a script from Station Stickers and a curbside pickup icon from Once More with Love. I am doing a 30 days of Instagram sort of challenge, so if you're interested in that, you can follow me over there at Caroline's Plans. I'll be posting planner related content over there, hopefully for the next 30 days. I marked having dinner with my mom on Thursday night with a script from Saucy Stickers Co. and a Hugging Mom Teeny from Glam Planner. I marked watching Grays with another emoji and a Netflix and chill script from Scribble Prints Co. I also marked it the same way at the bottom of Friday. I marked coffee and upload on Friday morning with a silver script from Glam Planner and a piece of deco from the kit. I marked doing dishes with an icon from the kit and a script from Kinsey's Creations. I marked driving to get my husband's second vaccine with an icon from the kit. School I marked with the same script as before, and a Munchkin video chatting. To mark the vaccine appointment, I used another Kismet from Glam Planner and another appointment script from Franny Lamb Stickers. And then I marked cleaning our cat's cat box with a tidy up script from Scribble Prints Co. and an icon from the kit, the little paw print. On Saturday, I marked Welcome May with a silver script from Nettie Designs and the clock icon, clock deco piece from the kit. I marked Sleeping In with a little green sleep mask from White Deer Stationery and a Sleep In script from Scribble Prints Co. I marked Coffee with a script and little cat deco piece from the kit. I marked Filming This Plan With Me with a script from Letters to Apollo and an icon from Harriet Wright Designs. I marked an Instagram post the same way as I did on Thursday. And I marked Netflix and Chill with a couple cuddling Munchkin from Once More with Love and the same Netflix and Chill script from Scribble Prints Co. Moving over to Sunday, I used my last piece of deco to mark laundry with the script from Letters to Apollo. I used another Letters to Apollo script to mark editing this video and paired that with a Saucy Stickers Co. A Samantha May Sticks, YouTube icon. Marked an Instagram post. Dinner with my mom the same way as Thursday. Marked tidying up with some items from the kit, and I marked just relaxing with a deco piece and a relax script from Scribble Prints Co. And that is it for the week. I'm getting ready for a wiggle here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you like this content and if you like my channel. Peace, love, and happy planning, everyone. Bye-bye.